Good afternoon and welcome. I'm so excited you are joining me on this wintry, chilly afternoon here at Platte River State Park in Nebraska. So I'm so excited that I came home during the winter holiday to see some family and decided to come to one of my favorite little state parks from my childhood, which is Platte River State Park. So I'm excited to explore a couple of the little trails that are here in the state park. And where we are heading to first is a waterfall, which I totally forgot there was even a waterfall here at the state park. So figured start off at the pretty waterfall. So let's just get this hike going. So we made it down here to the little waterfall, which is right behind me. And it's, for it being little, it's actually really pretty because of the, I believe it's the limestone rock. So it has this nice little curve arch where the water comes down to the waterfall and then it continues on down. And eventually enters into the Platte River, which is why this is called the Platte River State Park, because it runs along the Platte River, which goes across the entire state of Nebraska. So camera setting wise, I've been kind of adjusting playing with the shutter speed just a little bit. So about a half a second to a sixth of a second, ISO staying at 100. And then with my aperture, I'm floating that around depending on how slow or fast the shutter speed is. So like right now it is f14, but I've had it down there to about f6. So it just really kind of depends on what shutter speed I'm using, but I'm keeping the ISO at 100. So really all I'm adjusting is just either the shutter speed or the aperture right now. I do have my polarizing filter on to help me slow down, kind of using it as maybe like a one-stop neutral density filter or something, just to be able to slow down the shutter speed since we are in the afternoon, but it's cloudy, so the sun's not shining, which is helping with this particular scene in those waterfalls. But yeah, it's just really pretty. And I found a waterfall in Nebraska, so I'm happy. So we're just gonna explore around here just a little bit more and then kind of maybe continue on down the trail towards some train tracks and the Platte River. So just gonna enjoy a waterfall in Nebraska. So made it here to actually where the Platte River is, so that creek where the waterfall is that goes into the Platte River. So Platte River is just behind me, and then that is a railroad track bridge, and I'm just asking a little too much that I want to have a train go across the train track bridge with the creek running underneath it. So I'm asking a little much. There was a train earlier when we first pulled into the parking lot we could hear, but no trains right now. But look at this huge log. It is so cool just how big this freaking tree was, but it just makes for a really nice vantage point of the creek going into the Platte River, which is behind it, and then the train track going over the top of that creek. And I just really like it. I just wish that there was a train that was going to come along, and I think we'll just continue on the trail and just keep exploring Platte River State Park and just take in a little bit of this cool winter morning. So we're just gonna meander a little bit more and see what else we got here. So I've been exploring the park a little bit, driving to where some of the cabins are, there's some right behind me. Remembering the ones that we like stayed at when I was younger, whether it was for family reunions or Girl Scouts, and it's been just a lot of fun. Like, I even went to the top of a wooden tower and saw a waterfall, and then over here is the lake, which we used to go paddleboarding. So just a lot of fond memories. And then there's this whole little, what they call the Crawdad Creek and everything. That's brand new. That definitely was not there in my childhood. So, but it's just been a lot of fun just to kind of explore and just reminisce about the fun times and stuff with my dad. So it's been just a fun day. I think I got some good photos that I hope you like. And so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video and the photos that I took, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope that you do, so you can continue to come along on my photography journeys with me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.